the rich history of excellence embodied by the American Society for Quality, ASQ. The American Society for Quality, ASQ, an organization dedicated to enhancing quality standards and methodologies worldwide since its inception with a focus on driving quality enhancements and excellence across various sectors, has established itself as a respected source of knowledge for individuals and businesses globally. How it started, the beginning of ASQ. Origins in post-war America, ASQC was established in 1946 following the end of World War II as the American Society for Quality Control, ASQC. The war played a role in enhancing quality control methods in industries like manufacturing and defense sectors significantly. Scientists and professionals who appreciated the value of these improvements came together to establish the society with the goal of exchanging expertise and advocating for quality standards in war businesses. Early visionaries, leaders like Walter A. Shewhart, Joseph M. Juran, and W. Edwards Deming, pioneers in quality management, heavily influenced ASQ's foundational principles. Their work on statistical process control, total quality management, TQM, on continuous improvement became integral to ASQ's teachings, name change and growth. In 1997, the organization simplified its name to the American Society for Quality to reflect a broader focus beyond manufacturing, emphasizing quality in services, healthcare, education, and more. What ASQ does, mission and activities. ASQ provides resources, certifications, and support to professionals and organizations to improve their quality processes and outcomes. Its key activities include SRIS-1, Professional Certification Programs. ASQ is renowned for its globally recognized certifications which validate professionals' expertise in quality management. Some of its popular certifications include Certified Quality Engineer, CQE, Certified Six Sigma Black Belt, CSSBB, Certified Quality Auditor, CQA, Certified Manager of Quality Organizational Excellence, CMQOE. 2. Knowledge sharing. Publication. ASQ publishes books, white papers, and journals such as the Quality Progress magazine, which provide insights into the latest trends and research in quality management. Conferences and events. ASQ hosts events like the World Conference on Quality and Improvement, offering networking opportunities and showcasing innovations in the field. 3. Training and education. ASQ offers a wide range of training programs, workshops, and e-learning modules to help professionals develop their skills in quality tools and methodologies such as Lean, Six Sigma, and ISO standard. 4. Advocacy and standards development. ASQ works with organizations like the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, to develop and promote quality standards globally. 5. Membership and community building. ASQ connects a global network of over 60,000 members, fostering collaboration and exchange of best practices through local chapters and industry-specific divisions. How ASQ makes money. ASQ generates revenue through a diverse set of activities, ensuring financial sustainability while expanding its impact. Key revenue streams include 1. Membership fees. ASQ offers individual and organizational memberships, providing access to exclusive content, discounts, and community resources. Membership plans include basic, full, and senior level tiers, each with varying benefits. 2. Certification and recertification. Certification programs are a major source of income. Professionals pay fees to take exams and renew certifications every 3 years, ensuring they remain up to date with industry standards. 3. Training and education program. ASQ provides on-demand courses, live training sessions, and corporate training solutions, often tailored to meet specific industry needs. 4. Conferences and events. Registration fees from events, workshops, and seminars contribute significantly to ASQ's revenue. Sponsorship from companies seeking visibility among quality professionals also bring in income. 5. Publications and resources. Revenue is generated from the sale of books, technical guides, research papers, and online resources. Subscriptions to premium publications like Quality Progress offer additional income. 6. Sponsorship and partnerships. ASQ collaborates with businesses and organizations that sponsor its events and initiatives, creating mutual value. 7. Licensing and custom solutions. ASQ licenses its training content and certification programs to international affiliates and corporations. Customized quality improvement solutions for businesses provide an additional revenue source. ASQ's global reach and influence. ASQ's impact extends worldwide with branches and partners in nations such as India, warehousing capital of the world, China, Mexico, and more. Through its efforts, it has significantly influenced quality standards across a range of sectors, including healthcare, aerospace, cars, and technology. By promoting a mindset of enhancement and top-notch performance, ASG has solidified its role as a player in the global push for quality excellence. Conclusion: the American Society for Quality has grown significantly since its origins after the war, is now a figure for quality experts across the globe. By focusing on expanding knowledge, resources, and offering certifications while building a network of professionals in the field of quality assurance, ASQ enables both individuals and companies to strive for excellence. Its diverse financial structure guarantees long-term viability, reinforces its commitment to improving quality standards in all aspects of life,